Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm here with another video. I'm gonna update you guys on what I did to this car. I recently took off the exhaust I had, so I haven't driven this thing like 2 weeks, and I ordered the white pipe, the extension, and I ordered a Megan Racing single exit. And the white pipe just came in right now, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys right now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and install this white pipe on the G, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Yo guys, it's currently the next day and we got the white pipe on. It was kind of a bitch to install the white pipe because it wasn't aligning right, but what do you expect? It's a eBay pipe. So I'm gonna show you guys right now like what I did to it to make it fit. The white pipe came with I think it was a 16 and it wasn't fitting right, so we had to put a 14 and it fit right in. Other than that, the white pipe was a good fit. The exhaust just came in and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right now. I already kind of opened it because I was kind of anxious and shit, but I'm gonna show you guys right now. The Megan Racing single exit. This thing's pretty huge, and I'm still waiting on the extension that comes with it because it's a 350Z exhaust, so I need to wait for that. But yeah, hopefully I'll get this on by the weekend. It's the next day and I already installed the exhaust on the car. The extension piece is right here. It was a 8-inch with a 3-inch diameter. Yeah, I feel pretty good. And then the single exit over there. But yeah, it was a pretty easy install. And now let's see how it sounds.